Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 4.2 First question solve. In that your first subdivision dy by dx is equal to a e power y. So in this exercise what you will have to do is you will have to separate the variable. That is only equation. Your exercise is separate the variables and then do the integration. You will have to do it. Okay, so we'll just separate the variables. Variables here are x and y are variables. So we'll just take y towards one side and x towards one side, then we'll do the integration. Okay, dy divided by e power y, that is bring this e power y which is in the numerator, bring it towards this side of equal to, that will come to the denominator. So it is e power y, dy divided by e power y, which is equal to this a, will keep it here itself. This dx in the denominator, you will have to take it towards your right hand side. So what will happen? It will become dx. So a into dx, your right hand side. Now what you will have to do is, now integrating on both sides. So we can apply our integral dy divided by e power y, which is equal to a into integral of dx plus c. So integral this e power y which is in the denominator, you will have to take to the numerator. So e power minus y into dy is equal to a into integral dx plus c. Now your integral formula is integral of e power x into dx is equal to e power x itself plus c. Now integral of this side dx we have got it. So integral of dx is equal to x plus c. This is your formula for integration. But what we have got is e power minus y. So integral of e power minus x means what you will have to do is that e power minus x will be there as it is. Since we are integrating the power with minus x, so you will have to write minus 1 then plus c. So we will just use these formulas and then solve the question. Okay, so integral of e power minus y into dy. So in the place of x, what you will have to do? Put y. Okay, so it is integral of e power minus y into dy is equal to, the answer is e power, this value you will have to write it. Okay, so e power minus y divided by minus 1, that is equal to ax plus c, because integral of dx is, we wrote here it is x. So a is a constant, keep it outside, so x will be here plus c. Now take this minus 1 to the numerator, so minus e power minus y is equal to ax plus c. So e power minus y plus ax plus c is equal to 0. So this is the answer for your first question, first subdivision. Exercise 4.2, first question solved. In that second subdivision, 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus y is equal to xy into dy by dx. So again you will have to separate the variables first. Try to separate the variables. So we will keep 1 plus x square here itself. Bring all the x terms towards this side, towards your left hand side. So what is here? Here you have got x in the numerator. So bring it to the denominator. Now the dx is in the denominator. So when you take out this side, it will become dx in the numerator. Okay, so now x terms everything towards one side we have got it. Now what is the y terms this side? You will have to write it towards your right hand side. So y is already there. We will take this 1 plus y towards your right hand side. So it will come to the numerator as 1 plus y into dy will be left out. Yeah. So x terms everything you have got towards your left hand side. Y terms fully in the right hand side. Now 1 by x is there, isn't it? Just separate these terms, children. That is 1 by x plus x square by x into dx is equal to y, you can multiply it inside. So y plus y square. Y has to be multiplied for both the terms here and here. Okay, into dy. Now this 1x and x will go. So what you will have is 1 by x plus x into dx is equal to y plus y square into dy. Now you can integrate it. Okay, so integrating on both sides. So integral 1 by x plus x into dx is equal to integral y plus y square into dy. So integral of 1 by x into dx is equal to log x plus c. Next is integral of x into dx is equal to x power n plus x power n, this is, so n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is the basic formula for your integral. Okay, so using this formula you can do this integration. So first part is integral of 1 by x into dx. So what is the formula? Log x, you can write it. So log x plus x means it is power 1. Okay, so x power 1 means here x power 1. So 1 means what you will have to do? 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So you will have x power, I will just right away write 2 divided by 2. That is equal to here y again. Like x what you have done, for y also you will have to do it. So y power 1 means, so here again y power n. So y power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So y power 1 plus 1 will become y power 2 divided by 2. Plus again y square means, so y square plus 1 will become y cube. Okay, so y cube divided by 3. So integral is what you will have to do is, if you have 1 means 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, you will have to write it in the power. Okay, so plus c. Now we have done the integral part. So with this your sum is done. Your second subdivision, first question, second subdivision is done. Exercise 4.2, second question, solve y into 1 minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. This is also same thing, x terms towards one side and y terms towards one side. You will have to separate it, then we will have to do the integral. Okay, so for that what we will do is y into 1 minus x, we will keep it here. This whole term take towards your right hand side. So that will become x into dy by dx. Because minus term, if you bring it this side, it will become plus. Okay, now 1 minus x, we will keep it here itself. This x you bring it towards your left hand side. So it will come to the denominator, and dx it is in the denominator, just take it to your numerator. Clear? So now all the x terms are together. Now what is left out? Only one dy is here, but we have got y is here. Okay, so you will have to take it towards your right hand side. So multiplication, you will get it in division. So dy by y. So now all the x terms are together and y terms are together. Now again separate it. 1 by x minus x by x. That is splitting the x towards your first term and your second term into dx is equal to dy by y. Now you can cancel this x and this x. So the remaining is 1 minus x, and here 1 will be there, into dx is equal to dy by y. Now we have just solved it, so we will go for integration. So integrating on both sides. So we get integral of 1 by x minus 1 into dx is equal to integral of dy divided by y plus c. So integral formulas, integral of 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. Then what else is needed? Integral of dx is equal to x plus c. Again it is y. Okay, so we can replace x over there. So it is integral of 1 by x into dx. So formula is log x. So you can write log x minus integral of dx. So integral of dx is nothing but x, which is equal to again integral of dy by y, nothing but this formula, but replace x by y. So log y you will get log y plus c. So this is your answer for your second question.